Look, son, your mother and I, well, we feel that it's time that we had that talk.
Honey,
You know?
when a man loves a woman, well, not all men. That's not the point.
Okay. Do you remember when you went outside and you caught the dogs wrestling? See, they weren't really wrestling.
No.
They were...
Honey, what your father is trying to say is that we know that you are going to want to have the sex.
Oh, Martha, please.
Soon, and we just want you to be prepared. Most men have certain feelings. You know, they're special feelings.
It's only natural to have these feelings.
Do you understand what we mean by special feelings?
I'm not sure he's getting it.
Okay, how do I explain? Oh!
What is this?
Well, you'll see.
You brought puppets.
I'm a little bird, tweet, 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 tweet. And I'm a little babe. Bzz. Oh, here I go, collecting nectar from the flowers. Bzz. Bzz.
Okay, Martha. I think you're embarrassing him.
See, the bee, bzz,
Oh, God.
he transfers the pollen from the stamen of one flower bzz, to the stigma of the other flower. And then the pollen is then transferred into the ovaries of the flower.
Look, son. Someday, very soon, Lord willing, you're going to meet a nice girl that you want to settle down with, okay? And she may not be as pretty as some of those girls in the magazines, but we take what we can get, you know? It's, well, what I'm trying to say is that each woman's different, and you need to know how to handle that woman and to please her. For instance, your mom. See, when her and I are together,
Sullivan.
Okay. What I'm trying to say is, it's a beautiful thing. For when a man...
Dad,
Yes?
Yeah.
could you show me that thing with the birds again?
Oh. Tweet, 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 tweet. Bzz. Tweet, 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 tweet. Bzz. Tweet, 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 tweet.